How to connect an iPhone to a laptop without a cable. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to connect an iPhone to a laptop without a cable. First, open iTunes and connect your device to your computer with a USB cable. Now, click the device icon in the upper left corner of the iTunes window. From the list under Settings on the left side of the iTunes window, click the type of content that you want to sync or remove. To turn syncing on for a content type, select the checkbox next to sync. Then, select the checkbox next to each item that you want to sync. Next, click the Apply button in the lower right corner of the window. If syncing doesn't start automatically, click the Sync button. You can only sync your device with one iTunes library at a time. If you see a message that your device is synced with another iTunes library, your device was previously connected to another computer. If you click Remove and Sync in that message, all content of the selected type on your device will be erased and replaced with content from this computer. After you set up syncing with iTunes using USB, you can set up iTunes to sync to your device with Wi-Fi instead of USB. After that, connect your device to your computer with a USB cable, then open iTunes and select your device. Now, click Summary on the left side of the iTunes window. Finally, select Sync with this device over Wi-Fi and click Apply. When the computer and device are on the same Wi-Fi network, the device appears on iTunes. The device syncs automatically whenever it is plugged into power and iTunes is open on the computer. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.